I didn't get stuck. Thought I was about to get stuck. I'm gonna leave y'all in here so my phone don't get wet. Oh, let me finish putting some more gas in. Oh, it's blowing up right there. Is that it? Right where we were, it just struck. It's a tornado, there it is. Yeah, it's a smart decision right there. It just came down. We're north of Hooks. North of Hooks, folks. Tornado's coming down. There it is. Tornado. Right there. Tornado. Wow, look at that thing. Look at that thing. Share it out, folks. We got a tornado above Hooks, Texas. Somebody call it in. Call it in. We got strong inflow. Northerlies coming down. Tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground. There it is. Tornado on the ground. Woo! Strong inflow coming in from over here. There it is, tornado. Yep. Tornado warning, got it. Is there a road that we can get over? This might be a long-lasting, a long-track tornado too. It's been back since Atlanta.